As a physical therapist, how often have you said to yourself, I wish I had one more hand with respect to your efforts to manage all the influences you're trying to provide for your patients? Oftentimes with shoulder rehab, the tasks that are required for helping a person elevate their arm are somewhat impeding to the natural execution of motion. So that by my sheer requirements of holding the weight of the arm, the patient is somewhat confused by that, and it's not natural for the body to produce it in that manner. So with the UE Ranger, my hands are free. The patient's arm weight is supported by the tool, and then I'm free to guide in a more effective manner the components of movement production that are in need of being most therapeutically influenced. So as Scott executes the motion here, Scott, let me just have you just reach out and just a short arc motion. So I can guide him and teach him in a subtle manner. So just keep that motion going. And I can come back and I can involve the scapula. And Scott, just reach a little further with your whole body. And so we can involve his ribs a little bit. But all the while, take a rest now. All the while, the actual production of movement is on his part, and I'm just guiding components of that execution in a most efficient manner.